after approximately a month of silk press. And what she said she did, she just has a little bit of apple cider vinegar on her fingers, just refreshing the scalp so that it doesn't feel, you know, dry or anything. She doesn't put a lot of product, and she's not really done much with it. So with hair has been looking really straight, the top bit, but the bottom bit got a bit of it. So this part, it has reverted a lot more. But remember, she's not put any heat on it since the silk press, right?
Yeah.
No heat. Not, have you put product?
The only heat, like, it's like when I'm curling the front.
Okay, so she's been curling the front every now and then, but then for this part, no, nothing really. So for this part, most likely, maybe when she's having a shower, when the bonnet goes off, that is where we have this reverting going on. So now we're gonna wash, and we wanna see what her curl pattern is like. Hopefully she reverts back to her original curl pattern. Silk press doesn't necessarily mean that you have to have heat damage. So let's see what happens here.